नमोस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे नमोस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः नमः अस्तु आई ऑफर माई नमस्कार. अच्छा वर्ड है नमस्कार. नमस्कार मीन्स आई एम डिफीटेड. In my life you will win. In Namaskar means your will prevail. I told you Namaskar is the basis of Vyavhar. Namaskar is the basis of the house. Namaskar means three things I said just now. Please, sorry and thank you. Very important words. You don't say, I already said sorry. He's upset still. No, you keep on saying sorry till he is okay. If you are wrong. No, but I said already. This egoistic person doesn't use all three words. One sign of ego is he doesn't say sorry. When the husband and wife fight, no? So they both are waiting for each other to say sorry. And supposing somebody, then he will say, I'm sorry. Chalo. Some husband met me. He said, see, I'm very humble. I have kept my wife's name as sorry. So if I want a tea, I say sorry, get me a tea. Harmony itself means harmony. ये हारना सीखो. In love, more you get defeated, more victorious you are. This is called Namaha. More you try to give you victorious, more other person takes you out from his heart. हम लोग को पता नहीं किसमें जीतना और हारना पता नहीं हमको. नमोस्तु. आप जीतो. You are there. You should prevail in my life. This is the essence of that. Neelagrivaya, one who has blue neck. Blue is a sign of infinity. Blue sky, blue ocean. So one who is infinite. When Lord Shiva stands, he's not standing. He is infinite, very big. If you read in his Sahasranam, you know what is his one name? Mahagrivaya Namaha, Mahahastave Namaha, Mahachakshave Namaha. All are very big. So his form is from here to infinite, it goes on. Mahakeshvaya Namaha, Mahakeshaya Namaha. His hairs are all turning down now. So Neelagrivaya. Namostu Neelagrivaya. Oh. He is hearing, don't worry. Sahasrakshaya, his 1,000 eyes. Are, he's only 2 eyes, how come 1,000 eyes? Somebody is chanting Purusha. Is it Om Sahasirsha Purusha Sahasraksha? 100 hands, how can 100 eyes be 200, 2,000 eyes? Sahas means countless. He sees everything. He doesn't see outside. You are feeding somebody you are invited as a guest. Huh? You are feeding him. And inside, your husband is asking, he's not going. What can I do? He's sitting there. Still he's eating. He will finish everything. And outside I can, lije, aur lije. You haven't taken anything. Sahasraksh, he saw. He said, इनका intention बहुत अच्छा नहीं था. Outside he'd fed, but inside intention was not very good. He didn't have Ishwar Buddhi. क्या करें, कर्म फल दें? 2 marks out of 10. But he made 5 dishes. But bhav was not very good. ईश्वर भाव नहीं था. His intention was not. See, inside he is going and he is saying, उठ ही नहीं रहे. So what you do outside is very less seen. He's inside, he is having a videography, and Chitragupta ji is inside. With all the accountants, he is maintaining all the accounts. Well, he is thinking so bad. Well, outside he did good action, bad action, but his intention was very good. Gave him 9 out of 10. Sahasrakshaya. Well, he puts on so nice dress. And before putting on dress, he goes to the Lord and says, Lord, how am I looking? So putting good dress is no problem. You can put on good dress. Show it to Lord first, then show. There's nothing wrong. Sahasrakshaya. You can't hide from his eyes. Ishvara Sarvbhutanam Hriddesha Arjun Tishtati. He is seated in the heart of heart. He is just calculating everything. Your intention, your sankalp, how much you did, for what, how long, what, how you did action, which place you did action. Bole Shraddha was there, I gave to the Pandit. Pandit you gave? Yes. Who was the Pandit? My cook. No, again fruit has gone now. Chalaki mat karo. The manipulation doesn't work there. He's much clever. Midushe. Midushe means one who gives the things which is prayed for. This 4th case again. He desired things he gave. Please Bhagavan give. We don't know how to ask ourselves. Before praying to the God, please earn his ear first. When you do good action, then after doing good action, he becomes anxious to hear from you. Please get my point. Somebody says, randomly, that person wants to tell to you something. He wants to talk to you. Which person? Mr. Such and such. I never see him, but he wants to talk to you. Okay, give him 5 minutes only. My mind doesn't cooperate. He comes. Yes, start. He will say something. My time is over. But somebody who has done some seva somewhere, and he says, I want to talk to you. When? Today you come. What time? 12 o'clock. That time I will not see it. Before praying, please earn his ears. Make him thirsty to listen from me. When my actions itself is not good, then I don't want to talk. I don't want to hear. When people say at that time, my prayers are not working, he is not listening itself. You are not tuned to him. And then it is said, Athaye asya sattvanah. Sattvan means attendants around. Tebhyo aham akaram namaha. I also offer my namaskar to attendants around. Small Rudras are there. Viral is also one Rudra. And bacteria is also one Rudra. Cancer is also one Rudra. Like many Ammas are there. There is one Amma called Asthamma. That is like many sir is there. One is ulcer and cancer. But they are also Rudra. Nothing has happened. All of a sudden something has. रुद्री बैठ के वहां पे सब कर रहे थे. Karan Namaha. Attendants, I also offer namaskar to you. Namaskar means, please, three things. Please, sorry and thank you. Please is for, please forgive me. Sorry is for what mistake I did. And thank you means all what you did in the past. I'm saying you did a lot. I express my gratitude also. And I have promised that I will only do good for you. Karan Namaha. Next, I thought I'll complete it. Pramuncha dhanvanastvam ubhayoryaartyorjam. Pramuncha dhanvanastvam ubhayoryaartyorjam. Yaschate hasta ishava parata bhagavo vapa. It is said here, Pramuncha dhanvanaha. Oh, tvam means you alone can do it. Oh Lord, you alone can solve my problem. You alone can give me the buddhi. You alone can make me a good meditator. You alone can give me something beautiful. Tvam, you are a midushe. One person had a child, his child was dumb. He went to Maihar Devi. There is one Devi called Maihar Devi. It is in a place called Satna. Sharda Devi is there. Very beautiful. Sometimes when they open the door, already the flowers is offered there. So much stage is there. That dumb, Bole Ma, he can't speak. Started crying. And lo, that child started singing one Devi song. So that song they wrote and they sung in front of me. I went in Riva. ये power है भगवान का. That Shakti which was not there, I told you all Shakti belongs to him. That Shakti came. Kalidas didn't become Kalidas because he went to some Sanskrit university. He became Kalidas because Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Vidya Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namah. Oh, Vidya Rupi aa gayi unke andar. So here it is said here. Pramuncha dhanvana tvam, you can do it. Off. Pramunch, leave. What to leave? Leave the bow in your hand. बहुत डर लगता है आपके bow से. And both the ends of the string, your jam, strings of the bow. Your jam means string of the bow. तुम आरती of both the ends. Please loosen it. At least you can keep the bow. Take away the string. Nothing will happen. Yaschate hasta Ishwa. Ishwa, you know, Ishwa was there. That bow which is there, that arrow which is there. Oh Bhagava, what's it? Parivap. Parivap means take it out of my sight. Parivap means take me out, take this out of my, I don't want to see it also. Why? What is the arrow of Bhagavan? Various laws to attack. I did not give, I also won't get. Everything we are deprived of today is indicating a thing which I did not give in the past. फिर से बोल देते. No, don't say I am clear. Everything which we are deprived today is something I deprived the God or the system in the past. And what you have in luxury today, you have given in luxury in the past. And therefore you don't see that. No. Please don't see that. My time is over. Udainam gopa athoye pramuncha dhanvanastvam ubhyartyorjam yashate hasta ishava parata bhagavo vapa. More we will see tomorrow. This is Rudra Devta. If he doesn't want, neither I can speak, neither you can hear. And he's governing your whole life. He will decide what you will get. He will decide what disease you will get. He will decide how I will die. He will decide who will give you fame. He will decide who will give you honor. He will decide whether you will be with your guru or not. He will decide whether you can listen properly or not. All big things he will decide. And therefore, if he is pleased, he will give us more. He is a protector also and punisher also. I am invoking the protector and I am trying to dilute the punisher in him. And I express, therefore, in jail also there is something called parole is there. Parole, he was left on parole. So if he is very good, please leave me. I will not do it again. Okay? More we will see tomorrow. Thank you.